This is WorldTag, a tracking device designed to help users locate personal items. Unbox your WorldTag like this. This little box includes a lanyard, user manual, and warranty card. Secure your tag through lanyard with a simple knot. Make sure to remove this little plastic tag. Press this button to turn it on. Now go to the Apple Find My app. After that, go to Add Other Devices. Press Connect and name your tag. Choose an emoji of your choice. Click Agree, followed by Finish. And it connected. Now play sound to find your tag. Click on Lost Mode. Simply add your number, press Next, followed by Activate. You are now ready to find your lost items. Now we will show you how to remove the device. Simply go here and tap on Remove from Apple account. Tag it, connect it, find it.